Let us solve one problem of trigonometry which is having real life application. So here, from the top of the building 60-meter high, the angle of depression of top and the bottom of tower are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. The building is of height 60-meter high. Then top and the bottom of a tower observed are 30 degree and 60 degree and the angle of depression. Then it is asked to find out the height of the tower. Now first step is very important, to draw the diagram. Now 60-meter high building is there. Then a tower is there. So height is 60 meter of the building. So AB and CD. CD is building's height, AB is tower's height. Now from D there is eyesight at D. So angle of depression, so this is your vision. Parallel to the surface, eyes will see the objects exactly straight, and then the depression is the downward. So this is 60 degree given to see the bottom, and then to see the top 30 degree angle of depression. Now with this it is asked to find out height of the tower. So let H be AB, which is same as height of tower. This is our question. Now for this, to calculate this height H, what extra we need? We need one more triangle to be created. Why? Because with this vision, angle of depression, angle DA, name it as E here. DF is parallel to AE is parallel to BC, so that quadrilateral ABCE is a rectangle. Then two triangles are right angle triangles are formed. DAE, angle E is 90 over here, and let AE is equals to BC is equals to X, and angle DAE is given as 30 degree. Why? Because it forms an alternate angle. Exactly for the bigger triangle, that is triangle DBC, angle C is 90 degree. Then what we have? DC, that is height of the building, that is 60 meter, and from this DC only, how DC is formed? DE plus EC. In this we know that AB is same as CE or EC. We know that AB is same as CE or EC, therefore, and which is same as H. So 60 is equals to DE plus H. So we got the relation, we got DE in terms of a variable H. So why we have expressed? Because we have to find out H. So first task, call this as 1. Now two triangles are formed, DAE. So in triangle DAE, so using tan 30 is equals to, opposite side is what? DAE. So in that, opposite is DE, adjacent is AE. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. DE we have calculated here, that is 60 minus H upon AE. Therefore AE is equals to 60 minus H into root 3. Call this as 2. Now in the larger triangle, which one is the larger triangle? D, C, B. C is at 90 degree. This angle is 60. So tan 60 in triangle DBC, tan 60 is opposite, that is DC, upon base is BC. Tan 60 is root 3. DC is given as 60 upon BC. BC we have assumed as x. So x is equals to 60 upon root 3. So we'll get x is equals to 20 root 3. So we got the base, that is 20 root 3 meters. Now only it is important to get the relation AE is same as x, which was BC. So from this 2, x is equals to 60 minus h root 3. So I will replace it. 20 root 3 is equals to 60 minus h into root 3. So root 3 cancels. Therefore 20 is equals to 60 minus h. Therefore h is equals to 60 minus 20, that is 40. Therefore height is equals to 40 meter. Always do the presentation such that have the partition of the given page and both the triangles that are there to be compared. Here tan 30 and tan 60 is required. So both the comparison it is done. So this triangle DAE and triangle DBC are using the trigonometric ratios tan 30 and tan 60. We have got the relation. From tan 60 we got the value of x that we have substituted in the value since A is also x. So that relation between x and h we got it from 2, that is the smaller triangle. Using the smaller triangle, from the larger triangle we got the value of x, and for the smaller triangle we got the relation between the x and h, and this is used effectively, and then it was remained to do the simplification. So that's it for this example. If you have any difficulty, post the queries in the chat box. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Follow my channel Unfiltered Concepts for better understanding.